Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast for December 12th, 2025. Here's your rapid rundown of today's top moves and must-know stories in crypto markets. First up, Bitcoin is struggling to regain its footing after the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut left traders searching for a new catalyst. The world's largest cryptocurrency defended support at $88,200, but now trades just above $90,000. Analysts say long exposure has been unwinding and Bitcoin is still stuck between a rock and a hard ceiling at 94,500. Major altcoins like Ether, Solana, and Dogecoin are also in the red, sinking between 3 and 6% in the last 24 hours. Over $500 million in leveraged positions were wiped out as traders bet unsuccessfully on a rebound, with most liquidations hitting top exchanges like Binance and Hyperliquid. Next, the Fed's rate decision, while expected, hasn't revived crypto bulls. Internal divisions at the Fed and unclear policy for the next year have rattled markets. Bitcoin and Ether both pulled back immediately after the news, echoing Wall Street's caution. Not only did stocks slip, but key crypto ETFs saw net inflows slow considerably. Data shows that there hasn't been a day with over $500 million in Bitcoin ETF inflows since early November, a major slowdown that suggests investor appetite is cooling off for now. Still, analysts point to large holders quietly adding over 42,000 Bitcoin this month, signaling possible accumulation by smart money. Finally, in company news, UK-based Satsuma Technology sold nearly 600 Bitcoin for over $53 million. This move was to ensure enough cash on hand for upcoming debt payments and potential changes in its listing status. Satsuma now holds 620 Bitcoin and remains among the top publicly traded Bitcoin holders. Elsewhere, privacy-centric Monero bucked the bearish trend, rising more than 2%, one of the few bright spots as altcoin liquidity remains very thin. In summary, Bitcoin remains range-bound post-Fed, ETF inflows and leverage bets are shrinking, and institutions are making big moves behind the scenes. For more daily insight, hit subscribe and check out the blog at silklogic.ai/2025/12/bitcoin-crypto-daily-podcast-12-12-2025 for charts and news highlights.